Understanding data in Python, mutable versus immutable. In Python, data takes the form of objects, each with its own characteristics. A fundamental concept is mutability, the ability to change. Some objects are mutable, meaning you can modify their content after creation. Others are immutable, meaning their content is fixed and cannot be altered directly. This distinction is crucial for understanding how Python handles data manipulation and ensures data integrity. Whether an object is mutable or immutable depends on its data type. Recognizing these differences is key to writing efficient and error-free Python code. Python strings unchanging by design. Strings, sequences of characters representing text, are fundamental in Python. They are defined by enclosing characters in single or double quotes. A key characteristic of Python strings is their immutability. Once a string is created, its contents cannot be changed in place. This means you can't modify individual characters within a string directly. This immutability might seem like a limitation, but it offers several advantages in terms of data safety and program predictability. Strings in action, demonstrating immutability. Let's illustrate string immutability with a straightforward example. Say you have a string. Attempting to change the first character to J using will raise A. This error highlights the immutable nature of strings. Instead of modifying the original string in place, you need to create a new string reflecting the desired change. The illusion of change, how string modifications work. While directly modifying characters within a string is impossible, you can achieve the appearance of modification. When you perform operations like concatenation or slicing on strings, Python creates a new string object with the desired modifications. In this example, is a new string object containing Jello. The original remains unchanged, highlighting that string operations don't alter the original string but rather generate new ones. Section 5. Mutable counterparts, lists in Python. Contrasting strings, lists in Python are mutable. Lists are ordered collections of items defined within square brackets. You can modify elements within a list directly without creating a new list. For example, you might have Python my_list =, apple banana cherry. My_list 0 = orange hash modifies the list in place, print my list, hash output, orange banana cherry. This flexibility makes lists suitable for storing data that needs to be modified dynamically. Section 6. Immutability's advantages. Strings as reliable data. String immutability, while seemingly restrictive, brings several benefits. It makes strings reliable keys in dictionaries and ensures that strings passed as arguments to functions won't be unexpectedly modified. This predictability simplifies debugging and ensures data integrity. Section 7. Practical implications. Strings in real-world Python. Understanding string immutability is crucial for Python programmers. When working with strings, remember that operations create new strings rather than modifying the original. Section 8. Beyond the basics, exploring further. As you progress, explore related concepts like string methods, for example, and string formatting techniques. These build upon the foundation of immutability and empower you to manipulate strings effectively while respecting their unchanging nature. Section 9. Conclusion. Mastering strings and mutability in Python. Mastering the concept of immutability is essential for any aspiring Python programmer. Strings, being immutable, offer data integrity and predictability. By understanding the difference between mutable and immutable data types, you can write more robust and efficient Python code.